Black and silver finish. Side window to view combination for easy reading. Made of durable zinc alloy. Shackle size 6.3 mm diameter. Lock body 40 mm WX 16.6 mm D by 79 mm H. 4-digit combination lock. Includes combination reset instructions. Top reviews from the United States. Nice, simple lock. Works perfect for what I need it for. Has windows for where combination needs to be entered to open lock, which prevent confusion when lock is opened by someone not familiar with it. Lock is not high security but keeps the honest people honest.